See? Look at it. Okay. See the way it looks?
Texture of that. Wow.
Oh, you want me to make the food now? It smell good.
You're gonna. So what are you gonna do with it after this?
Are you actually going to
It's good for the chicken, for beef,
The chicken.
your rice,
the beef.
anything you wanna make.
Oh.
Look at the way it look.
Mademoiselle, comme si chérie, puis gautis, moi. Plutôt fais-moi les please, baby. Tout sauver ma petite oui, honey. Dans paradis, tant pis. Pour m'kawe wap souri. Même si gagne la clé.
Hey guys, my name is Madame Darge. Today we're going to make Haitian season, how to make it. Okay? First of all, let me show you what I got. I got parsley, I have a scallion, garlic, onion, pepper, that's a sweet pepper, red and green. They also have MAGGI bar. You can add this, that's a powder one. You can add any one, this one or this one. After that, you can add some salt. Let's start. First of all, before you blend everything, what you have to make your season, you have to wash them. Whatever you want to do, anytime you want to make it, you have to really wash them. Okay, so I wash my vessel. Okay, so I wash it, and I wash my scallion, onion, everything. See, wash everything before you start cutting. Okay.
Go for that. What chop it?
Now you chop them. You put in the blender. Alright. To wash them very well. Just will chop them. Blend. Okay.
That looks wonderful.
Some onion. You can put the white one or the brown one. The one that's is a violet one. That's a French. Okay. Nice onion. Put some garlic. The garlic. Now put sweet pepper.
I used to play this song. And I used to play watercolor.
Clean and nice.
And PS2. Wow, this is looking great. The colors are looking so beautiful.
Two.
Yes.
One.
In the kitchen, getting it. That's good. Brought the crumb down.
You put some Maggi, you can put 2, you can put 3. It's up to you. A lot of people, some people don't eat Maggi, some eat.
Maggi cubes.
Okay, that's a cube one. I got powder too, but I just want to use the cube one.
The cube. Yes.
Okay. Now we put some little salt. Don't put too much, put some.
It smells like heaven in here.
Hey, put some little oil.
Some oil.
Any oil.
Yes. All that in the blender and it's kind of good. Wow, it's cutting up. Sick, dude. Looks so ingredient. Good. Just watch that blender. Look at it. It just does it right. It just blends in. Whoa, look at all these colors mixing. Beautiful. Holy. Perfect. There you go.
Ooh.
That smells
That's
fantastic.
the way you look.
Yeah.
Huh? Can you look nice? Beautiful. Hey, you got your food right there. When you make some in your food, that's it.
This is a perfect ingredient for any dish.
Yes.
Rice, chicken, you name it. Put some.
Okay, guys. See you on my next video. Bye. Love you.
So, like, what do? You grab like a tablespoon of it, like a little bit, and,
Yes.
and then fry it,
Yes.
or
You can fry. You can add it in your chicken. You can make it in.
also for marination,
Yes.
anything. Okay,
Anything. Look at the way you look.
this right here is a masterpiece.
Look
Look at
nice,
that!
right?
Wow, the colors and the nicely mixed layers of it is just perfect. You look at this. Wow. Okay. Zio, salio.
All right. Thank you. Bye.